Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to configure intermediate system to intermediate system authentication. First of all, let's go to topology. This is our topology. Please understand it. Then start the configuration. Come to R1, interface F0 by 0, IP address 101.1, no shut, 0 by 1, no shut, IP address 1.1, do show history. Then go to R2, F0 by 0, no shut, IP address 102.1 and interface 0 by 1, IP address 1.2, no shut, do show history. Yes, we have defined IP addressing. Please check reachability. Go to R1, ping to R2 and its lane and R1. First of all, we have to configure here routing protocol ISIS, router ISIS, put command log adjacency change net 49 area, its system ID, then 00. Go to interface IP router ISIS, then 0 by 1 ISIS. Then you have to go to R2, put same command router ISIS, log adjacency change net 49 its area, its system ID and 00. Interface F0 0 by 0 IP router ISIS 0 by 1 IP router ISIS. If your configuration is correct, you will see adjacency is up. So ISIS neighbor, then show IP route ISIS. Yes, you can communicate with 102.1 using its lane. Now what we have to do? Yes, we have to configure authentication key chain, key 1, key string. Go to interface 0 by 1 ISIS authentication mode MD5 ISIS authentication keychain. Done. So it is also saying IIH intermediate system to intermediate system authentication failed. Now you can see adjacency down, debug ISIS adjacency packets. Then it is clearly saying what? Authentication failed, authentication failed, authentication failed. Now we can stop them on all. Go to R2, debug ISIS adjacency packets, and to stop them on all, okay, here you can see it is saying sending L1 level 1 and level 2 intermediate system to intermediate system hellos. Sending, it is sending, but appropriate information you can find on R1, no problem, on all. And do one thing, key chain, key number, key string and interface F0 by 1 ISIS authentication mode MD5 ISIS authentication keychain name is triple T. Do show history. Yes. ISIS authentication mode MD5, ISIS authentication keychain and keychain name. Yes. Show ISIS neighbor, or you can also put one command, show CLNS neighbors. Show IP route ISIS. Now you can communicate with R2 lane using its lane. So this was our authentic